सुस्वागतम। एनीबॉडी कैन योगा में आप सबका स्वागत है। हम पहुंच चुके हैं योगिक ब्रीदिंग के लास्ट और फाइनल पार्ट पे। तो जिन लोगों ने अभी ज्वाइन किया है, आप देख रहे हैं योगिक ब्रीदिंग सीरीज़ का थर्ड पार्ट। फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमने अब्डोमिनल ब्रीदिंग के बारे में डिस्कस किया था और सेकेंड पार्ट में थोरैसिक ब्रीदिंग के बारे में। सो मेक श्योर टू चेक आउट दोज वीडियोज़ बिफोर यू स्टार्ट विद द थर्ड पार्ट, जो है क्लैविकुलर ब्रीदिंग, जिसकी प्रैक्टिस हम आज करेंगे। So without any further ado, let's get started. So just like abdominal breathing or thoracic breathing, this practice can be done while lying in Shavasana or while sitting. अगर आप बैठकर प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, sit in a comfortable meditative posture. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Clavicular breathing is called so because इसमें clavicle यानी collarbone का बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है. To understand clavicular breathing, you should know how to do thoracic breathing, क्योंकि ये rib cage expansion की लास्ट स्टेज है। तो हम सबसे पहले शुरुआत करेंगे thoracic breathing से। Again, keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes. हाथों को knees पर रख सकते हैं। Observe the natural rhythm of your breath. And now slowly shift your focus to the sides of your chest. ध्यान रहे, अभी हम अपनी नेचुरल ब्रीदिंग रिदम में कोई भी चेंज नहीं करेंगे। Now, slowly inhale and expand your rib cage as much as possible. Feel your individual ribs going upwards and outwards. Now slowly exhale and feel your rib cage coming down. Again, inhale, expand your rib cage as much as possible. Slowly exhale and relax. Keep breathing like this for 2 to 3 more breaths. Try to focus on your breath and the movement of your rib cage with it. So clavicular breathing करने के लिए continue thoracic breathing. Inhale, expand your rib cage upwards and outwards. जब आपको लगे that you're done with the inhalation, try to inhale a little bit more, putting some effort. इसमें आपकी collarbone और shoulders और ऊपर lift करेंगे. Now slowly exhale, releasing your collarbone first, followed by your upper rib cage and the rest of the rib cage. Again, inhale, expand your rib cage upwards. थोड़ा सा और इनहेल करने की कोशिश कीजिए, लिफ्टिंग योर कॉलर बोन अपवर्ड्स। Hold for a while and then exhale and slowly come down. Continue like this for some time. आप अपने हाथों को कॉलर बोन्स के पास रख सकते हैं to feel the expansion even more. अगर आप इसे सही तरीके से कर रहे हैं, you will feel the uppermost part of the lungs, that is the apex, piercing through your collarbones. Inhale, expand your rib cage. And then lift your collarbone by inhaling even more. And then slowly exhale in reverse order. Once you get the hang of it, अपने हाथों को वापस knees पे ले आएं and continue clavicular breathing without using your hands. Take 2 more breaths. Focus on your collarbone. Okay. Now release any effort from your side. अपनी breathing को बिल्कुल normal होने दें. Again, observe the natural rhythm of your breath. Rub your palms together. Create heat between your palms. And then place them on your eyes. अब धीरे से अपने हाथों को नीज पर वापस ले आएं. And gently open your eyes by looking down. So this was clavicular breathing, जिसमें हम lungs के uppermost lobes का use करते हैं, especially the apex part of the lungs. Clavicular breathing हम daily life में तब करते हैं when we are under extreme physical exertion or we are suffering from severe respiratory diseases like asthma. So now that you know all the 3 techniques of yogic breathing series, तो हम अब practice करेंगे complete yogic breathing, also known as दीर्घ प्राणायाम. उसके लिए फिर से एक मेडिटेटिव पोस्चर में बैठ जाएं. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. अपना राइट हैंड अपने पेट पर रखें और लेफ्ट हैंड अपनी चेस्ट पर रखें. Close your eyes. So योगिक ब्रीदिंग करने के लिए हम तीनों ब्रीदिंग्स को कंबाइन करेंगे. Starting with abdominal breathing, inhale and expand your belly outwards. Followed by your chest. और थोड़ा सा और इनहेल करेंगे to raise the collar bones. And now exhale in reverse order. Feel your collarbones coming down, followed by your rib cage, and at last your belly. Repeat. Inhale abdominal breathing, followed by thoracic breathing, followed by clavicular breathing. And now exhale in reverse order. Again, inhale, expand your belly, then your chest, and at last the collarbones. And exhale in reverse order. Now practice yogic breathing without the support of your hands. दोनों हाथों को घुटनों पर रखें and continue yogic breathing. Keep your eyes closed and stop any effort from your side. अपनी ब्रीदिंग को वापस नॉर्मल होने दें. Try to listen to the sounds around you. Bring your awareness to your body. और फील कीजिए कि after doing yogic breathing, how it has changed the normal breathing rhythm for you. Again, bring your hands together, rub your palms, and place them on your eyes. On your ears, on the neck, and your shoulders. और अब हाथों को वापस नीज पर लेकर आएंगे. नीचे देखते हुए gently open your eyes. So with this we come to an end of our yogic breathing series. Yogic breathing सीखना बहुत important है before you do आसन, pranayam or any other yogic exercise. Because as you know, breath is the fundamental unit of yoga. So keep practicing yogic breathing until it becomes your breathing. I hope you enjoyed the yogic breathing series. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Till then, keep yoging on and I'll see you next time. Namaste.